I mean, I take that back. But I think
Hello
I
guys,
can Queen,
it's me again.
I'm so close
I'm
to
at the
300.
best angle for you guys.
50 mastery levels after this. And there is mastery 303. We've finally broken the 300 mastery curse. All that it took was literally defeating Stone 2 times in a row. And with this Kilo Admiral defeated here, this should be 325. Human Awakening combined with Rengoku and Buddha Fruit. She's already getting that's 328. Now I just need to find some more mobs to grind. So I guess we're heading back that way to go fight some of the King Queen's minions. These ice cream chefs will be perfect practice. They're literally guarding the front entrance, so like they're pretty good practice. But then again, there are also these mobs down here that I can use Rengoku on. Ice Cream Commander. I should not mess with those guys. I got one shot. Psych, I'm coming back for round 2. You're not taking me down that easily. Demon Slayer. You see, they've got like a double sword. They've got 2 swords. They think 2's better than 1. And it might actually be, oh my, Zoro might have the right idea. I'm being destroyed. Bro, these mobs are likely harder than King Queen. This is going to take ages to get to 350 mastery, but I'm not giving up. I refuse to rely on the big sword anymore. Hold on, I'm going to die. Those waves that even hit me. Oh, I nearly dashed into that. They can fire 3 tornado things at once. Dodge, Demon Slayer. This is intense. I can do this. There's 1. All of that for 1.5 mastery levels. Ain't no way. This guy is the final one, and then we'll get our last move for Burning Slash. I was right, we got it. Now, instead of fighting King Queen straight away, we're going to do something a bit risky.
Oh, this is the videos on YouTube.
Let's see if we can use the Rengoku to take down the strongest boss in the first and second T first. The strongest boss in the first T is the Cyborg with his stupid looking glasses on. He's level 675. Yo, you good? Which means he's a lot weaker than I am because I'm level 1800. So if I change all of my stat points to only have 675 in every single thing, then it'll be a bit more fair. Let's do this, Cyborg. Fight me. Ow, Burning Slash. Like a fire path. It's like walking on Legos, but fire. Like, dodge all the missiles, easy, Burning Slash. Now he's just gonna walk through that to get towards me. I feel like the 6 damage is gonna go crazy when we fight the King Queen. Oh no. 675 levels is not enough. Wait, I gotta make this even more fair. I'm taking everything else off my hotbar. We're going only sword, otherwise it's not a challenge. Cyborg, try and get me. I was not expecting him to just walk up that. I thought he'd get stuck. Dodge weave, Burning Slash. That's the big one thing's called. That's this one. I'm making mistakes. That's my ultimate defense. I call it the tree strength. That did not work. Here goes. Burning Slash means yeah.
za medal Fortnite ili otprilike od koji zemlji daja otvorata kategorija, otvorata tehnička kategorija favoriti za medal.
Pa da, ja последните 2 години правих категорията, предположено за категория за 6 кг, и всека последните 2 години съм имала 6 и 7 кг. Можем да кажем дека на европски игри има по всека категория по 8 участници. На истата категория има доста тежки противници, како што се французинот кој што е олимписки европски светски првак. Тука е и грекот Ксенос Јонисус, кој тој 3 пати едно по друго има своено медален од големи тренирања и сите други можем да кажем дека нема лесен противник, но сите тие за мене се добро познати. Заедно со мојот тим ги знаеме противниците, ќе се подготвиме за нив што е можно подобро, ќе анализираме, ќе подготвиме тактика и борба се надам дека успееме да донесеме медал.
По такvom mnogo uspeh, prvo dobri podgotovki, ima dosta period za podgotovki, da se podgotiš najdobro što može i da ne izradio.
Давай, что берем свет. Громочер, on the computer. You can't be happy. Oh, there's a certain Alicia that are real nice. I love that little dog. The money has to be here, so. There's something in me. Hello, dear. You know. Give me door to pause. Give me a pause.
Не ти падна телефонът? Виж. Срекаш имаше маска, човече.
Да.
Не да видам дали ти скриши маска да изгледа. Скриши.
Не, това беше много отдавна беше това.
Що ти е уключено